Alright, this is just a quick video to describe how to type in math content into WAMAP, which can be kind of tricky on the computer. Quite honestly, as you go throughout the course, it gets easier and easier to type these things in. Okay, first thing, if you're doing a homework or quiz, you often want to type in an algebraic expression that has exponents and fractions and things of that nature, which can be awkward to type in. But if you click on the answer box, there will always be this either up or down arrow here for the equation editor that will give you options on how you enter your answer. In this case, the equation editor pops up and it lets me type in different things. For instance, if I wanted to type in a fraction, I could type in this x plus 3 divided by 10, which would be a more difficult thing to type in by hand. So it gives me this fraction bar. I can type in the numerator and denominator. And then if I hit save here, what it will do, it will type in the correct way I could have typed it in without using this equation editor. Not that it matters, but if you want to learn how to type in certain things, you can do it this way. So here it says it put parentheses around the x plus 3 over 10. If I preview this, it's exactly what I was expecting. For instance, let's say you don't know how to type in exponents, but you see this exponent sign right here. I'm going to type in x, click this. It puts me up in the exponent, and then I say x to the fourth. And if I was wondering, well, how would I have written that without using this tool? You hit save, and it shows you, oh, the caret symbol here is how you get exponents. All right, let's cover now. Let's say you have a question or your classmate has a question and you're trying to offer them some help. Let's say we're trying to do something with a lot of fractions and we want, let's say, 1/2 times 3/5 plus 7/10. If you're communicating back and forth between somebody, this is a really awkward way of describing fractions. What we can do is if we type that in, and again I use this star symbol by the way for multiplication, I'm going to highlight this and then go over here and click on this sigma plus symbol. It says add new math. Again, I've highlighted all the content I want. I click on this and then I click outside of this box, this red box. It now is going to write this stuff in math terms. And you'll see that it writes my fractions nice and neat. And in fact, if I save and post this message, it really has a beautiful font that it used for posting those things. So if you're ever trying to communicate questions or answers, this is a great tool to make it look neater and easier to read.